Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to take you on the journey of hair growth. You've been on the internet for the longest time looking for how to grow your hair, how to take care of your hair, how to grow fast hair, how to use onions juice for hair growth, how to use clove for hair growth, how to use fenugreek, how to use moringa, how to put water on your hair for your hair to grow. Hair growth is more than just putting things on your hair. So if you can give me your time, I'm about to take you on the journey that will grow out your hair in 2025. So if you're ready, grab your pen, grab your paper, let's go in. After watching this video and after implementing everything I'm about to tell you in this video, just give your hair a year and you will not believe your eye. Your hair is going to grow, like your hair is going to pass that shoulder length that your hair have been stuck in for years. Okay, so just give me your time, get your pen and paper, let's walk you through this hair journey. First, we need to establish the fact that product does not grow hair. Product is not hair growth. Forget the fact that we post fenugreek water for hair growth, clove water for hair growth, water your hair for hair growth, use moringa seed for hair growth, this oil and that one. You will do all those things and your hair will still not grow. You will water all the water, you will oil all the oil, and your hair will still not grow. There is no product that actually grows your hair faster. If you're a normal person, if you're a human being, if there's nothing wrong with you, then your hair is growing on regular basis. Those moringa oil, those fenugreek oil, those water what are just things that will make the environment convenient for your hair to grow out. Are things that is built on taking care of your scalp, like the environment where your hair grows out from. They are just enabler. Let's just say they are enablers. They are not the reason why your hair is growing, but they will make the environment more convenient for you to grow. Let me use a house as an instance. You built a house, of course you can live in your house without a television, we know that, but then just to make it more comfortable for you, you got a television, right? So that is how this fenugreek water, this rosemary water we all use for our hair, that is how it is. It's just something that will make your hair growth. I don't want to use the word efficient, I want to use the word, like, I don't know the word to use. Let's just say they are facilitators to hair growth. They make your hair growth environment more convenient for hair to come out. Let's establish that. What will determine an increase in the length of your hair is the ability for you to retain the length that has grown out. It's the ability for you to retain the hair on your hair. Keeping the hair that have grown out on your hair still, that is what determines the length of your hair. I have used those mad people as an instant. They do nothing to their hair. That is the least of your problem. They leave their hair alone and they do nothing, which is the reason why you see them. Some of them have very long hair. I am not saying you shouldn't do anything to your hair. I'm just using that as an instance. The ability for you to retain the hair that have grown out is what matters now. Now your hair is growing out normally, but you're not retaining the length. That is the issue. You need a technique that will help you retain that hair, that will help you keep that hair on your hair. In doing so, your hair keeps increasing in length. If you can master the art of length retention, you have solved 75% of the natural hair problems. That is when you start to see an actual increase in your length. How do you master the art of length retention? Number one, leaving your hair alone. Wait. Do not come for me. I didn't mean neglect your hair. Leave your hair alone does not mean do not wash your hair. Leave your hair alone do not mean do not use conditioner or deep conditioner. That is not what I mean. Leaving your hair alone means doing the minimal and still growing your hair. How do you do that? Choose a protective style that actually protects. Not all protective styles are protecting. Some protective styles do not actually protect anything. Some protective style that do not actually protect your hair. Tight braids and cornrow. It's not going to be a protective style if it does more harm than good. These styles will cause you breakage, receding ends, and also tensions in your scalp. Another protective style that might not be protecting, those style that rely heavily on gels, such as your slick back style, your gel ponytail. Those styles is not a protective style because the gel on it will dry up and cause you breakage. So if you're using a gel type of hairstyle to grow your hair, let me tell you now, it is not a protective style. It is not protecting anything for you. Another example of style that might not be protecting anything are those what do you call it, those buns, those ponytail buns that makes your face look like this, as if you are scared. Like, those style, they are not protecting anything, because these styles will make you lose your edges. It will create tensions on your scalp. These styles are not a protective style. So style that you should consider getting: loose braids, mini twists, cornrows, bantu knots. Bantu knots are low manipulative hairstyle that are quick to get and quick to take out. Another style you should consider getting are twist out and braid out as a short-term protective style. The idea is for you to get low manipulative styles that you can get and take out easily. Make sure all the style I mentioned are loose, okay? Do not get tight style. Another way you can master the art of length retention is moisturizing right. People tend to confuse hydration and moisturization. People tend to mix it up. Well, they are different. So let me tell you, hydration is the process of putting in water into your hair, or water based product into your hair, while moisturization is the process or art of locking in the moisture. Okay, when you moisturize your hair, it simply means that you have trapped in the moisture. The same way you layer your skincare, there are steps in moisturization. There's what comes first, what comes second, and what comes last. So for moisturization, what comes first is actually a form of water, a form of hydration. You will first make sure your hair is wet by spritzing water into your hair. Then you go in with a leave-in conditioner, followed by an oil, then followed by a butter. Water, leave-in conditioner, oil, then butter to seal it in. That is how to properly moisturize your hair. Another way you can master the art of length retention is using a deep conditioner. There's a whole lot deep conditioning can do for you, such as deep conditioning can help you repair your damaged hair. Deep conditioning can help you replenish moisture into your hair. It can also help you with freezes. It can help you to retain moisture into your hair. Deep condition can help you with breakage and split ends. Deep condition will help you soften and maintain your hair. Deep condition will make your hair manageable. So it's so important to be ignored. So prioritize deep conditioning. Do not skip deep conditioning on every wash day, okay? This tip I'm about to give you right now, it's very important. I started implementing it in my hair last year, and I can tell you for sure that my hair has grown a lot. This tip is: do not detangle your hair in a hurry. Consider using something slippery, like something that has a lot of slip, to take down your hair. This will help you take down your hair in a way that it will not break your hair. You can use aloe vera gel, you can use flaxseed gel, you can use okra gel to take down your hair. There are a lot of options you can choose from. Do not take down your hair just like that, okay? Using a comb to rip out your hair, this will determine how you're going to retain your length. Make sure you are using something with slip to take down your hair. That is my final tip. Do not forget that hair takes time to grow out. Be patient and you're going to see the growth. This is where I draw the curtain. If you want to see more tips on hair growth, please consider subscribing to the channel. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.